Okay, here's the lowdown, okay? This is the lowdown on using the toilet in the Philippines and many other foreign countries like China, Thailand, stuff like that, okay? In the bathroom, there's typically not any toilet paper, okay? There's typically not any toilet paper. There's usually a bucket and a scoop like this, okay? And there's usually not even a toilet seat on the toilet, which is cool, that's fine, whatever. This video is not meant to be offensive in any kind of way, it's just reality. And the first few years of me traveling to foreign countries, I didn't know what the hell I'm supposed to do in here. And I'm going to show you the whole bathroom, okay? There is no toilet paper, okay? No toilet paper, none whatsoever, anywhere in this bathroom. So I'm wondering, if I take a poop, I'm either A, supposed to bring my own toilet paper, or B, what do? What do people do? And it's hard to get people to explain to you, what do you do in the bathroom? Well, here's what you do. And this is just the lowdown, actual reality truth. To flush the toilet, this is how you do it. You take the scoop and you pour it in the toilet. And sometimes it takes several quick, pours in the toilet to get it to go down, okay? That flushes the toilet. Now, how to wipe your butt. That's one that was difficult for me to get anybody to tell me about. I'm opening the door so I can get a little fresh air here. I'm going to step out and I'm going to explain this to you. And this is just the reality of it, okay? Don't get mad at me. It's no put down on the Philippines or any other foreign country. But what you do is you use the water, you pour it behind you on your ass, and you clean your ass with your hand, and you wash your hands with the soap that's in the bathroom. There's the soap. There's the bucket. There's the pail. You pour it on your ass somehow. If you're fat, it's difficult. Yes, it's difficult. And you clean your ass with your hand, and then you wash your hands. And that's just how you do it. That's how everybody does it. Don't let anybody tell you any bullshit different. When there's no other toilet paper, that's the only option you have, so that's just the reality. So don't get mad at me. Don't be leaving me dirty comments saying, oh, you must hate the Philippines or something like that. I love the Philippines. I love Thailand. I love China. A lot of times, even in China, there's not even a toilet. There's just basically a hole in the floor, and you got to squat over the hole. In an airport, it's like that. So it's not looked down upon. That's just how it is. So you wash your butt with your hands. You clean your hands over the toilet with the bucket and the soap. That's how you do it. Philippines bathroom. China bathroom, Thailand bathroom, Cambodia, Laos, India, a lot of foreign countries are like that. And foreigners don't know how to wipe their butt. They're confused. Me personally, I bring baby wipes. I bring baby wipes with me when I travel. I buy more baby wipes as I'm traveling. I carry baby wipes with me everywhere. It's good for everything from washing your hands to cleaning your butt, to cleaning your, whatever. You clean everything with baby wipes. But if you don't, the way the locals do it, and I've had to grill them, really, to find out the truth. And the truth is, and they don't want to talk about it, they just clean their butt with their hand. Then they just wash their hand. In a lot of Muslim countries, that's why they shake hands with the right hand, and they only clean their ass with their left hand. Don't be fucking with people's left hand. That's the dirty one. Clean your butt with your left hand. With your left hand, clean your butt. That's how you do it. Okay? That's just the truth. Same thing in the women's bathroom. Welcome to the Philippines, and I love the Philippines. And there's the beach right over there. This is a cool little restaurant here. But very typical bathroom. Life is good.